Okay, this is going to be a video on the Pet Zoom self-cleaning grooming brush. Now, the way I used it just a few minutes ago. I made a previous video, but it came out sideways. But the way it cleans itself is you push the button, and it makes that plastic thing move back and forth. And you know, it really does work. That thing really works. Now, it has a piece that slides in there for more grooming. I'm not even plugging that in. I'm not even playing with it or reading the instructions. But this brush is doggy approved. Lightning, you want to try the brush? Come on. Now, I combed him with it. Like I said, I made a previous video. Now, I'm hoping I can get more hair off him now, because I made a video earlier. It's getting hair, not enough. We got to get more hair off you, boy. So let's get more hair off this dog, if we can, and I'll show you how well this thing works. And he loves it. Come on, Lightning. Come on. Up. Get up. Come on. Show him how much you like the brush. Come on. I can't comb you like that. I'm hoping to get more off him. And, you know, before when I did it, it actually got something. Come here, Lightning. Come on. Oh, we got some in there. Okay, so see the hair on it? Not a lot. The more hair you get, the better. But look how much I got from the last time.
It will not fall there.
See? And it came right out. Now watch. Push that button.
Magnet there.
See how it pushed it off? Yeah, Papa. It's a magnet thing. It comes right off. So this brush works great. The self-cleaning part works really well. And like I said, doggy approved, right, Lightning? This poor boy is getting old. He's got to be 11 or 12 years old now. But I'm happy with it. Would I buy it again? Yeah, because it worked and it was easy to clean. We've all had that brush where you're grabbing and you're pulling the stupid hair out of it. It's not that hard to do, but you never get it all. This really, look, you saw it. It really took the hair out and cleaned it. And like I said, I don't know what that little attachment is. You know, whatever they said that's for. Well, I don't even need that part. I'm just going to use this. That's the main thing. And I would buy it again. Thumbs up for me. Hey, do me a favor. Like, subscribe. You never know what my videos are going to be of. Ring that bell. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.